Hi everyone, I am Masaki Ono, a senior patent attorney belonging to the Trademark division of Fukami Patent Office in Japan. Today, I'd like to present the eighth of mini lectures on the Japanese trademark practice. Specifically, I will very briefly answer three additional frequently asked questions about Japanese trademark applications. Now let's go. Question number 13. How can I claim a priority? The answer is by indicating the information about the basic application and submitting a scanned copy of the priority document. More specifically, you must indicate at least the filing date and country name of the basic application and preferably its application number on the application form. And then submit a scanned copy of the priority document within 3 months from the filing date of the Japanese application. Question number 14. How can I extend the time for responding to an office action? The answer is 3 months in total. You can extend the response time by 1 month for the first time and by 2 months for the second and last time, subject to payment of the officer fees. Question number 15. What measure can I take to prevent registration of third parties applied for mark? The answer is, you can file a request for refusal of the application. This is called the provision of information, and you will need to submit arguments and supporting documents as to why the application should be refused. In this regard, please note that it is at the discretion of the examiner in charge of the application whether she will issue an office action or not. Incidentally, in Japan, an opposition against a mark can be filed only after it is registered and published in the official gazette. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Please contact me anytime if you have any questions or requests about the themes for future lectures, or I can be of assistance. As I asked in the previous lectures, please call me Masaki, Nicholas, or Freddy as you like. See you next time.